Hello and welcome everyone to another video. In this video we are going to talk about dictionaries. So the idea of a dictionary is to have key and values as a pair. A key will be a single element and values can be anything. It can be list, list within list, or multidimensional list. It can even be strings, integers or floats. Now before Python 3.6, dictionaries were unordered. So if you wanted to print a dictionary, it would output the values in some random order. But from Python 3.6, dictionaries are ordered. So let's define a dictionary. So let's say x equals. To define a dictionary, we use the curly brackets and let's say key. So this is a key value pair in the dictionary, and you can see it is separated with a colon, and you separate key value pairs with comma. You can even use integers or floats as keys. So we'll just see. So this is our dictionary. Let's print it. And you can see it printed our dictionary. Now we can reference elements in a dictionary as well. So to do that, inside the square brackets we pass the key. So let's say we want to print Python, so we'll pass 3. So 3 is the key. So let's run this, and you can see it printed Python. And if we say key, it should print subscribe. So let's run this, and you can see it printed subscribe. So this is how you reference elements from a dictionary. Now to insert elements to a dictionary, in the square brackets we define the key. So let's say key 4, and let's add a list as a value. So we'll say 1. So let's run this, and you can see it added our key 4 and the value. So it added the key value pair in the dictionary. So this is how you can add values to a dictionary. We can even update values of a key. So to do that, let's say we want to change the subscribe to like. So we'll say key and just assign a new value to it. So let's say like, and let's run this, and you can see it changed our subscribe to like. So this is how you update values in a dictionary. Now one thing to note about a dictionary is that the keys must be unique. The values can be whatever you want, and you can even repeat the values if you want, but the keys must be unique. You cannot repeat the keys. Now to delete values from a dictionary, we use the delete keyword, del. Let's say del, and inside the square brackets we pass the key. So let's say we want to delete Python. So we'll pass the key, which is 3. Now let's run this, and you can see it removed or deleted 3 and Python, which was a key value pair from the dictionary. So this is how you delete values from a dictionary. Now we can even use loops for a dictionary. So to do that, we'll say for k in x. So k is a variable and x is the dictionary. Let's print key. When we run this code, it will print all the keys present in the dictionary. So let's run this, and you can see it printed our keys, which was key 2, key and 3. Now to get values, we have an inbuilt function which is called as values. Let's run this, and you can see it now printed our values, which is subscribed to BitCode Python. Now let's say we want to print both the keys and the values at the same time. So to do that, we have a function which is called as items, and what the item function will do is it will return two values. So we will need two variables. So let's say k for keys and v for values, and let's print k and v, and let's run this code. And you can see it printed a key, then the value, and it printed all over three keys and three values. So this is how you can create a dictionary and insert and delete values in a dictionary. As I said, dictionaries were unordered before, but Python versions 3.6 and above have ordered dictionaries. Now that's definitely good, because a ordered collection of data is much better than an unordered collection of data. So that concludes this video. Hope you guys are able to understand these tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching, subscribe if you liked it, and until next time.